WOLF stock analysis and WOLF stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. Because look, I'm the only guy in the space with having done 40,000 videos over just 5 years. It's taken me 5 years, so I have definitely documented everything and seen what's working for me and what's not. It's all on my YouTube channel. Especially now, Wolfman. First signs of bearishness in my first like real sell side prediction was like right here. It was sitting 10 bucks at the time, and I'm not even exaggerating. It was sitting at like literally 10 bucks. And since then, now we're freaking $10 less. Yeah, I got like 3 shorts, 1 long, and then I'm still looking to double down on the sell side because we just broke structure lower. If you ask me, Mr. Stickle, when is this really going to be bullish to you? Well, yeah, if I do see breaks above $40.22 or something, currently no. You can see I also have so much receipts and evidence in my Discord. And if you do want to learn how I'm consistently making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.